In 1995, I started Global Services in my garden shed to supply spare parts and equipment to the yachting industry.
Today we support super yachts all over the world, sourcing everything from a teaspoon to a main engine.
Our job is to make your life simple.
We specialise in galley and interior supply.
Marine engineers on hand to answer your questions and find you exactly the right part.
And deckies who know their squeegees from their chamois.
Relationships with thousands of suppliers help us get the right product at the best price for you.
And if you're a new build project,
we can support you with a range of specialist services.
Like providing lists of recommended equipment and spares for each department to help you budget and capacity plan.
To creating an inventory for every piece of equipment on board.
So you have an accurate list of spares right down to the component part.
When your goods arrive, we check, label and repack everything in our warehouse.
It's even colour-coded by department.
And so you can keep track of everything, we'll send you an automated report detailing the exact status of your orders.
Whilst the shed might have progressed to a state-of-the-art office, we're still small enough to care, but big enough to deliver.